So we have connected the elements, and then parameter name, we have given the parameter name of the department, which we need to import from the Excel to the Revit file. And then we are connecting the item into the value. So let's connect the item into the value. So I think we have completed this. So start from the workflow. We have added the node read from Excel. From that we have connected the file path through a file from path the node, and then we have just use a code block to define the sheet name, and then we have list the rest of the item. We just ignore the items by using the rest of the items, and we use the list transport to list the rows and columns, and then we use the index get index to define the index of the parameter, the properties, and then we use the element set parameter by name to define the category, like in the from the element and the parameter name, department, and then we connect into the value. So let's run this workflow. So run complete. So let's see the result. So this is the first floor. This is the ground floor actually. So this is a kitchen. So here you see the name of the kitchen and department. So here it came. So it's the ground floor. So next in the kitchen, dining, we have mentioned the ground floor.